look. Thor naam tu ki naam? Somai Halta. Wow. Itia far koribo. Te ha, thik ase. Look guys, now he will crossing the river. Look, efale sa bondu, fal kori. Be careful, otherwise you will lot of people you will die. Look guys, look. He is my friend. Now he is crossing the river at this time, and the speed of water is very high. Wow, what a beautiful river, guys! Look. Now he has crossing the river, and he has been working at this river from the childhood days, and also collecting fish every day from this river. And this is the main objectives for their living, and every day they are coming to catching fish at this Lauti river, and they are collecting more and more fish from this river. And again we are just coming to buy fish at this Lauti river. Still we are not getting much because they are still collecting the fish. After 1 hour we will get lot of fish. Guys, look, lot of fish. Look, what a beautiful fish. Look, tengana and napstik and different types of fish you will get to see at this Mona means back. Anyway guys, thank you.